Transportation is witnessing a fast-paced wave of upgrades. Some are moving from public transport to their first vehicle ownership, while others are upgrading their two-wheelers to four-wheelers, and the four-wheel drivers are upgrading to SUVs. In the era of upgradation, how does an investor upgrade their portfolio? Indian automotive industry should exhibit remarkable growth over the coming decade due to favorable demographics, rising disposable incomes, rapid urbanization, and availability of credit. With rising incomes, Indian families are upgrading their essential items of home, food, and personal care consumption and are aligning this with faster consumption of smartphones, air conditioners, and household appliances. Vehicle ownership follows these aspirations as more consumers are perceiving mobility as a comfort rather than a luxury. The Tata Nifty Auto Index Fund seeks to replicate the Nifty Auto Index. Consisting of 15 stocks, the index is designed to reflect the behavior and performance of the automobile sector, which includes manufacturers of cars, motorcycles, heavy vehicles, auto ancillaries, and tires. Invest in India's progress, invest to drive towards growth. Thank you.
NFO opens on 8th April 2024. NFO closes on 22nd April 2024. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.